Today I'm going to demonstrate the join and fold edging foot, which creates a finished edge and sews on, say, something like lace or some other decorative finish onto that edge all in one go. So in order to do that, we need to have the machine in cover stitch wide, and we need to get the fabric in first. I think it's much easier to put it into place before you put it on the machine. And the fold is created by this U-shaped bit here on the foot. You press the fabric in there and push it around till it hits that barrier there, and it forms a U shape of fabric. Then the lace gets slid into the bottom slot. So I'm going to get the fabric in place first. So you slide your fabric through that top slot until it starts to fold over. And I generally will turn it over and take a look. Make sure I've got it all the way, which I have. And you see I have my foot labeled because with my optional serger feet, I have a couple of different sergers, and having it labeled allows me to find the right foot very quickly, because they all sort of look similar after a certain point. So now I have my fabric in place, and you want to have a little bit hanging off the back side of the foot. So I'm going to slide it over here and get it in my foot in place. So do I have it on? Yes, I do. Okay, so now I've got to get the fabric back underneath the foot. It's still folded into that U shape, as I can see by looking over here. And now with my lace, if you cut your lace and you have a bunch of sort of jagged edges sticking up that don't want to allow you to easily slide this under, putting a little piece of painter's tape would help. And you just want to get that painter's tape beyond the edge of the foot. And the lace goes underneath your fabric, like so. Put my foot down. And now we're going to start to sew the edge and the lace all in one go. So you end up with this nice folded edge, and your lace is tacked down all at once, and you have a finished edge with the lace on the back side. So it's a very nice foot to utilize when you want to put a lace border on, say, a shirt or curtains, some home dec item, collars, cuffs. So this is the join and fold edging foot on the Admire Air 7000.